Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Today I am participating in Kendra's Card Challenge Hop and Giveaway to celebrate the beginning of the month and at the end of challenge number 13. There is an opportunity to win a digital file from Kendra, so I encourage you to go ahead and click the link below if you would like to be entered into the drawing for that. Today I am using sketch number 13 from Kendra's Card Challenge number 12. December is the last month to make your cards for challenge number 12. I'll talk a little bit more about the challenge as we get into the video, but I am going to be using some products from Whimsy Stamps, which is Whimsy Stamps is a sponsor of Kendra's Card Challenge, and I'm using the super adorable stamp set called Giraffes Peeking. It's just the cutest little stamp set. The illustrator is Justin Pike, and I tried to match up the colors on the giraffe with this really pretty pattern paper. We did a gift exchange in the Card Challenge, Kendra's Card Challenge Facebook group, and these were some of the papers that I received. I think they're Doodlebug. They look like Doodlebug papers, but I'm not absolutely sure. So I've already gone ahead and I have cut out my papers, and since I am not great at banner flag cutting, I'm going to go ahead and grab my dies and find the ones that match up as close in size to the papers that I have cut. And as I put this card together, I'll go ahead and talk a little bit about the challenge if you're not familiar with it. Basically, what it is it's a challenge that runs all year long in quarters. So there are 4 quarters. And each quarter is 3 months. And so we are in the last quarter of the year. And so challenge 12 started in October. And so it was October, November, and December. So it will end this month. And then January will start challenge number 13. And that will be January, February, and March. And basically what it is you create 15 cards with 6x6 sheets of paper. And Kendra provides the cut files and the card sketches for you. And so basically you just follow the directions and create your 15 cards. And there is an opportunity to win some fabulous prizes. And so to do that, you would just create your 15 cards, post them in the Kendra's Card Challenge Facebook group, and that is basically your entry into the giveaways. And so you can win once per, or you have the opportunity to win once per quarter. So that's basically, if you do it all year, that's 12 opportunities or 12 chances to win. And the winners are chosen by a random draw. And so it's a really fun challenge, regardless of the prizes. It's a really fun challenge to kind of get out that paper, and whether that's cutting down 12 by 12 paper into 6x6, single-sided, double-sided, whatever you want to do, it really is a great way to kind of use up some of that paper. And I have really enjoyed participating in the challenges. And so to get back to the card, I have adhered all of my pieces. I'm going to pop up this circle piece. I'm going to stick the giraffe through that so it looks like he's peeking out. And if I didn't already mention, which I don't remember if I did, I went ahead and I stamped the giraffe up onto some Bristol Smooth cardstock using VersaFine a black ink, and colored the giraffe up with my Zig clean color brush markers. I love using Bristol Smooth for the brush markers because the color moves really well on it, and so I had a lot of fun actually coloring the giraffe with the different colored spots, which basically I tried to coordinate those colors a little bit with the colors in the pattern paper. But once I've got the giraffe adhered down, I have grabbed some bubble dies from my stash, and I have cut one out in the black cardstock, and then the sentiment is on the white piece, and I'm just using that black cardstock to add a little bit of a shadow to that, and also to break up the color a little bit on the card. And then to finish the card off, I'm using these really pretty enamel dots from Altenew, and these are called this set is called Fruity Colors. And that's going to finish off this card. This is a hop and a giveaway, as I mentioned. So to find everybody participating in the hop, you can go ahead and look in the description below, and I have a list of all the participants. You can also use the hashtag that is listed in the description to find everybody. And don't forget, if you're interested in the giveaway, go ahead and click on the link below. That is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it or find it informative, I would love a thumbs up. Thanks so much, as always, for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you next time.